Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. This is a winner unboxing. Winner, chicken dinner, Fishwife. And I was traveling, and then I received something delivered to my home, and I do not remember I ordered this, but this is an international. This is a company. I do not know. Maybe they are stationed in Los Angeles, and on YouTube there are partnership. You can order things. I was on YouTube partnership, so I just they have free samples. So I was thinking maybe I can try it. So I'm trying it. I ordered, and I do not remember. I do not remember actually. I ordered it, and it arrived. That is good. Let's take a look. This shipping box can be used for art project, can be used for further shipping. That's a good one, right? A very decent one. So this one is Fishwife, and they make some what do I say? They make fish and with some spices in it. For example, this one is tinned seafood, smoked salmon with Sichuan chili crisp. Oh, wow. And let's see, this one is from where? From product of Norway. Salmon from Norway. Now let's see this one. Let me have a cup of water. I mean, a cup of tea. And this one is, the other day we went to, I forgot where, maybe in Whole Food, or maybe in Pier 1, Cost Plus, Pier 1, Cost Plus import, Cost Plus. And this one, I saw a lot of them. And this one is from Denmark. And last year we went to Scandinavia country, and we saw this in the market, and we were surprised. It's from Norway, it's from Denmark. And let's see, this one is from, where? It didn't mention. It didn't, from Spain. Oh, Galicia, Spain. Greeting from Galicia, Spain. This one greeting from where? No greeting. Oh, the Danish people do not greet, or maybe just a design. Our rainbow trout is responsibly raised on a farm in the Danish countryside. Where is it? I went to Denmark last year. In the Danish countryside, it's smoked. This is rainbow trout in a small batch, in small batches, over natural wood, and hand packed in olive oil. Good. I like it in oil because you can reuse this oil. You can put salad and put less olive oil because there is olive oil. The rainbow trout, it's smoked in micro cannery. Oh, mini tiny, oh, micro cannery. Outside of Copenhagen. Enjoy stirred into lemony pasta and smoked trout dip with potato chip or in a savory sandwich. So you can put it into pasta, lemony pasta. You can put into a dip and with potato chip make a dip. You can eat it as a sandwich, savory sandwich. Okay, I decided I will do something different. Smoked rainbow trout. I will do salad with it. Responsibly raised in Denmark, slow cooked over beech wood. Fishwife. Okay, this one I am going to make a smoked rainbow trout salad and I will take pictures. This time I came back from France and just came back yesterday. I still have some time jet lag. Usually I woke up at 10 o'clock, shamefully, 10 o'clock or something. But today I got up at, woke up at 5 and get up at 6 and lingering around in bed for a couple of minutes and got up at 7 o'clock, went to swim. So this one is from Denmark. Denmark sandwich, okay. Oh, no. Denmark salad, okay. And this one, Galicia, Spain. Greeting from our albacore. Tuna is pole and line caught. Oh, pole and line caught. And 100% traceable. So what does it mean? 100% traceable. So they know each fish's name, right? One is called dory, one is called marlin, and one is called, dory, marlin, and all the fish's name. One is called yanghaiying, one is called ding 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 ding, fishy, one is called titi, tifi, T-fish, Tiffy, one is called goofy. Oh, goofy fish, goo fish, goofy. Anyway, they have different name of it, and it's packed in pure Spanish. Oh, Spanish olive oil. Spanish olive oil. In my memory, Spanish olive oil. Greek olive oil might be a little bit amer, Jordan, and Italian, maybe smooth. I do not know, I will try. And in a touch of salt by a cannery located in northwest Spain. Northwest Spain. Is that close to France? Is that close to Balboa, close to San Sebastian, maybe that area. 2 years ago, we drove around in Spain, and we traveled to Spain and drove around in those areas from Ghana, from Spain, from Andalusia, Granada, and those areas. Yeah, must be that area. And a touch of salt cannery in the northwest Spain. Northwest must be something like Balboa. Balboa. Bilbao, what I'm talking about. Balboa is a tree, right? Bilbao, must be Bilbao. We went to Guggenheim in Bilbao. Bilbao, the heartland of the conserva tradition. The heartland of the conserva tradition. What is conserva tradition? Find out. Okay, so this one is albacore, tuna in olive oil. They didn't say how to eat it. Gosh, can I eat it? How do I eat it? Yeah. So I am thinking of making it into a tuna spread, tuna sandwich, tuna spread, and with a piece of white bread, maybe, because this is tuna. White bread, a piece of a layer of tartine, and then this, or maybe even not tartine, because this can be a tartine, right? Okay, this one is decided. So this one, Spain, bye-bye Spain, bye-bye, ciao, Español, Espagne, ciao, Español, Espagne. Danke, Denmark. And this one is Norwegian in strong chili crisp. Okay, fly by Jean, gold label, smoked salmon with Sichuan chili crisp. Okay, how to eat your Sichuan chili crisp smoked salmon? Over a steamed veggie rice bowl. Good idea. Mix into freshly packed unigiri sandwich in a savory salmon melt. Naked. Ooh. Can I read it? Naked. I mean, yeah, it's the fish naked. The fish didn't wear sous-vêtements. We do not need to be naked, right? Straight out the can. I am thinking, actually, I will make it into a tarte. It's like a tarte or saumon, tarte or saumon, oui, with egg. It's with a piece of pastry, but fluffy pastry. Pâte brisée or pâte feuilletée, and then egg, some vegetables, blend, and put this one on top. Yeah. Atlantic salmon by Gin Chili Crisp. I hope it's not too spicy. I do not like things too spicy. This is from Norway. Yeah, they have a greeting. Okay. Greeting from Kravoy, Norway. Our salmon is responsibly raised in a Norwegian island by third-generation family farmers. Wow. It's smoked in small batches and hand-packed by a family-owned cannery in Washington State. So they ship this one, they smoked and then big container and shipped to in Washington to do this. Okay, so you will see the recipe soon. Was tastiest. This is Sichuan chili salmon, and this one is rainbow trout. Rainbow trout, what did we say? We said we will do salad, bake, tuna spread, albacore tuna in olive oil. Let's see how it looks. I think you can find it in, oh, this one is this way. If I open it, it will be damaged. This one I will not damage. This one is smoked rainbow trout. We will make salad. Okay, salad. Let's see, rainbow trout. See you later, alligator. Don't forget the paper. I'm a little bit OCD to make it perfectly right. This one does not have a box to contain it, and we do not need too much packaging. This is good enough. Oh, this is a little bit bigger actually. Fly by Jean. It's cute, huh, the package. It's quite inspiring. This must be the tuna, the rainbow trout fish appearance. This one does not have fish shape. Thank you, Fishwife. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Bye.